After installation is complete, open Git Bash and let's start typing some Git commands. First we will check the Git version. So type Git version, and if it shows a version number, that means Git Bash is working successfully. Now type clear to clear the terminal. From here we start setup and configuration. First set your username by typing git config global user.name, and now open your GitHub account, and here you will find your GitHub username. Type your username inside double quotes and press enter. Similarly, set your email by typing git config global user.email, and again go to your GitHub account, click on the email address, type this email inside double quotes and press enter. To check your Git configuration, type git config list and press enter. You will see a list that includes your username and email, which you set earlier. Both the username and email should match those used during GitHub account creation. Next, create a new folder named Git demo and open it with VS Code. Now click here to create a new file and name it idx.html. Inside the file, let's generate the basic HTML boilerplate by typing an exclamation mark and pressing tab. And type hello inside an h1 tag, and below that type lorem20 inside p tag and arrange it. Now run it by double clicking on go live, and you can see what you type inside the editor. Next, come back and click on Prettier and choose the terminal. By default it's a PowerShell, but I prefer Git Bash. You can use either or leave it as default. Here check the Git version again and type Git version. Then the output will appear, and type clear to clean the terminal. From here, to initialize a new Git repository, type git init and press enter. The file is now initialized. Now check the Git status by typing git status. There was a spelling mistake earlier, sorry. Press enter. It will show branch main, no commit set, and untracked file. This means the new file is not yet tracked by Git. To track it, we need to add it. So type git add idx.html. Now check the Git status again. The file is stashed. It means a file is to be committed. Committed means to save or record changes in simple terms. Type clear to clean the terminal. Then type git commit -m. If it's your first file without any changes, type initial commit inside double quotes and press enter. This commits the staged file with a message. Check Git status again. It should say nothing to commit, which means the file has been committed. Then clear the terminal. Now open your GitHub account, click on the plus icon and select new repository. Type git demo as the repository name. In the description, type demo repo for practicing Git commands and workflows. Leave the rest as default. Now click on create repository. The Git demo repo is created. Now come back to VS Code and type git remote -v. It doesn't show any remote repository URL yet. To link the local repo to the remote, type git remote add origin and go to your GitHub repo, copy the HTTPS link and paste it here. Press enter and then type clear to clear the terminal. Finally, push the changes by typing git push origin main. Press enter. Here main is the branch name. This command pushes the branch to remote repo. Go back to the GitHub repo and refresh the page. You will see the idx.html file there with your codes. Thank you.